Have you ever rinsed your nose? I've used a couple different bottles, but this is by far my favorite. The Nasal Rinse Bundle comes with a bottle of CitriDrops Dietary Supplement, a Nasopure bottle that holds 8 ounces of water. It's for a single user, so don't share your Nasopure bottles. Detailed instructions, and ready-to-use saline sachets. Upon receiving a kit, I always rinse my bottle with a mild soap and water, and am sure to rinse out all the suds really well. The nozzle top pops up easily to allow the water to come out, but I always make sure it's closed when I'm shaking the bottle up. Don't ask me how I learned that. The pack of 20 sachets is buffered saline so it doesn't burn my nose. It has a nice notch to open. I just tamp down all the powder to one edge so it all comes out easier and I don't lose any when I open it up. The instructions describe how you can make a hyper or hypotonic solution depending on what you're looking for. First, I added the packet into the clean Nasopure bottle followed by 8 ounces of water. The water is ideally distilled and 4 drops of CitriDrops for a mold and bacteria targeted nasal irrigation. I recently did a nose swab test, so if you missed that, be sure to check out the results on why I wanted to start regularly rinsing my nose. Before I mix it all up and head to the bathroom, I make sure the nozzle is closed and then unpop it before rinsing. It's important the bottle stays horizontal and is part of what makes this so much more comfortable than rinsing with other bottles or pots. So I insert the tip into one nostril and, leaning forward over the sink, gently squeeze the bottle. I allow the saline and CitriDrops Dietary Supplement solution to flow in one nostril and out the other, checking my progress and switch sides when I have 4 ounces left for the other side. I gently do the same thing on the other side. I haven't mentioned it yet, but CitriDrops Dietary Supplement contains 4 citrus seed extracts, which makes it exponentially more powerful than grapefruit seed extract alone. I'm finished with 4 ounces on each side. I wash out the bottle again, rinsing out all residue. I make sure that bottle is really clean, but I must admit I'm having a little fun here. If you decide to start rinsing your nose, you can use my affiliate code SatiatedBlonde at checkout. And use an alcohol swab on the nozzle and let them dry completely on the drying rack before storing, and I drop an extra alcohol swab in the box for the next cleaning.